guys, welcome back to Code Danger 7, and today we have a different unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing some coffee today instead of vinyls. So this is from Bones Coffee. I've been wanting to try their coffee for a while now because the designs on the packagings are really cool. So this is the Fallout Collector's Edition coffee, and it's for the new TV show that just came out. Okay. Oh, this looks pretty cool. It comes with a sticker too. And it's in plastic. Okay, let's take it out of let's admire the box. So this is what it looks like. Here's the side of Vault 33 from the TV show. Oh, there's the logos right there. This is a pretty cool box. So yes, the same thing on that side. The flavors are Valiant, Vanilla, Atomic Apple, and Wasteland Crunch. Ooh, that's so cool. See? Welcome to the Wasteland. Ooh, here's an inspection. All the flavors and the designs. Wow, it smells so good. It actually does. It smells like coffee. Now let's inspect the packaging so you guys know what it is about. Here's more of the design. These are pretty cool. Comment below what your favorite character is. Have you watched the show yet? Atomic Apple. Apple pie. This one's a medium roast.
So smelly.
This one, it doesn't say which one. It just says vanilla wafer. Oh, it does say medium roast down there.
It's chocolate candy bar.
They all are. This is the one I'm most excited to try because of the flavor and the design looks pretty cool.
The ghoul bringing you
that looks scary over here. Wow. Oh, I didn't show this.
There's holes for you to sniff.
Okay, now we're going to look at it in a little bit more detail after my goofiness from the beginning. Just like the TV show, how much detail they put in it from the Fallout games, they also put some detail into this too. You can just look at this gorgeous box. It just looks so cool. I wish the ghoul kind of looked scarier, but I think he still looks pretty cool. And over here we have a Valiant vanilla wafer, which is a medium roast ground coffee. And the cool thing about Bones Coffee Company is I think they talk about it on the side. Yeah, they are part of the Rainforest Alliance, which means I'm pretty sure they're getting all their like beans and stuff ethically sourced, which is awesome. Great for the planet. So as I was talking about the details, we have the flag for brotherhood, and then we have him here in his suit, Maximus, and then we just have the background, and then over here we have Lucy in her Vault Tech Vault 33, and it appears that she is emerging from the vault or going back in. I guess because she's facing this way, she's returning to the vault, but it can be viewed as either way. It's Atomic Apple Pie. which I think is an interesting flavor for coffee. But I don't know. I'll have to see if I like it. I'm excited for Wasteland Crunch the most. I hope that's gonna taste good. I think it will. You can see the background. She's wearing her Vault 33 outfit. Bones Coffee. There you have thumbs up. Then we have the Wasteland Crunch over here with the Ghoul chocolate candy bar. They're all medium roast. In the beginning I was like, oh, vanilla wafer. I saw no, Atomic Apple. I saw that tiny medium roast print. Before I saw the other at the bottom, I was like, are the other ones medium roast? It doesn't say, but they are. You can see the background, it's all demolished, and then he has some stuff down here. Old heck, jug. I already showed all these sides, but we have that guy. It appears to be a bear, or it could be a wolf. I don't know the exact names, but he's also down here. Isn't that like a cockroach, I think? One of those mutant irradiated ones. Yeah, so we have a Thunder Dude was on both sides. And the backs are pretty similar. I'm just showing this all again. There he is. And also on that side. And you can see Lexi in the background. I think they just put a great job into this. I saw this online for the first time. I was like, that is so cool. Because I was literally watching the show. I already finished it. It's a great show. You should go watch it if you haven't already. It's pretty good. But I was watching it and I was like, oh, Bones Coffee has coffee? I've been wanting to try Bones Coffee forever. So even though I haven't had it yet, I strongly suggest checking out Bones Coffee Company. Because they have some cool designs and very cool flavors. So I'll have to let you guys know how it tastes. But for now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Peace out, my dudes, and I have more Taylor Swift unboxings coming soon. See ya.